Yeah, this is KINGxLEEKS Productions back again with another video. And today we're gonna do a little cruise around, little point POV in the SC300, you know, Black Widow SC. Told you guys I was gonna come back with some car videos and car content. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming at y'all crazy with them new car videos. So today I'm about to be driving down to my buddies who are gonna try to install some speakers. So I'm gonna just show you guys the ride down there, how it is to feel a stock SC300. Let's just get that right. Stock SC300. It's not my first SC300. The other one was boosted, but you know, this one will be boosted sooner or later, eventually. Just trust the process. But yeah, from no further ado, let's get into this video and show y'all some shots, you know what I'm saying? See what this little 2JZ GE can do, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. To let you guys know a little bit about the car does not have anything done to it other than suspension, wheels, and exhaust, bolt-on exhaust. It's not no craziness, no single, no none of that. No, it's just a regular eBay exhaust. Cause you know your boy is a eBay man, you know. Nothing crazy. The car ain't crazy, you know what I'm saying? The car ain't crazy. It's nice little fun power, you know? Fun power, that's what it is. I also forgot to mention the car does have Toyota Supra twin turbo brakes in the front, so it makes it look like, you know what I'm saying, looks like I got something, you know what I'm saying. The car look like it got something, but I ain't got nothing, you know what I'm saying. Ain't got nothing. Why is this person stopping so far? He needs to go further. What are you on the phone? Get off the rascal phone. Everybody's probably looking at me like, why do I got a camera on my forehead? Yes, I got a camera on my forehead. And what? Oh! Alright. I swear I'm Paul Walker in this. Yeah. It's automatic, Malik. Get it together. It's automatic. You will have your stick shift car sooner or later in life. When? Ah, no, you're not passing. You're not coming over here. I'm sorry. You should know where you're going there, but I apologize. Oh, that dog about to fall out the window, Cole. Your dog about to fall out, Cole. Cole. Alright, cool. That man gonna jump out, gonna break a leg. That ain't my fault, cool. I told you. Broom, broom. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. I gotta go all the way to Kendall. That's a goddamn hour and a half drive. 45-minute drive. 35-minute drive. 45-second drive. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm passing this minivan. I'm passing you, Cole. Passing you, bruh. Ride along videos coming soon to a neighborhood near you. What I notice about this GoPro, bro, is it gets really hot. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the battery. But I definitely gotta check that out because the battery or something is getting really hot. I don't know if it's the temperature in my head. It can't be that because it's not even touching it. But let me see this MR2 drive off though. Cool. Let me see that. Cool. It's on boost, bro. Stick shift, bro. Let me hear this. I know there's a Evo back there. Let's hear this Evo. See if this Evo gonna make some noise. Slow ass Evo. Whenever you ready, bro. I'm here, Cole. What's up? Not today, though. I just got a knee surgery. Low-key, no cap, I might be low-key lost, you know what I'm saying? Now I know I'm going at this point. I had to turn off the GPS, cause, you know what I'm saying? I'm just Crocodile Dundee, you know what I'm saying? No directions and stuff. I'm going east, west, north, east, and south Curry. Not funny. Man, let's go, Core. Let's go, Core. Let's go, Core. Let me get my race car, Core. Oh, you about to turn or you gonna stay in your lane? Stay in your lane, Core. Stay in your lane, little boy. You know what I'm saying? I should do a little burnout here, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know where these police be acting out here. This is bougie white people area. BLM over here, you know what I'm saying? Black Lives Matter, you never know, cool. He just, you see, he just called me a bad word, bro. He just said something bad. What's up, Cole? Let me do it not here. You know, it's a residential area. You know, kids may be playing. You know what I'm saying? I gotta think about myself for this situation. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go to jail for, you know what I'm saying, murder. You know what I'm saying? Gotta, you know, take my time. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they look like they doing a drive-by. Nah, Cole, they ain't doing no drive-by without me, Cole. What's up, Cole? What's up, Cole? What about me, Cole? What's up, Cole? I want to be doing part of that drive-by. I got the fastest car here, Cole. What's up, Cole? Bro, it's hot out here, Cole. It's so humid, man. Should I drift this? You guys ready? Take my time, you know what I'm saying? Take my time before I get my time cut short. Alright guys, let me just end up the video there, you know what I'm saying? Just show you a little POV, the new GoPro. I'm just trying to see how this thing will last. I got 38% left on the battery. Got about 36 minutes left on the camera, memory storage. I mean, it's not bad, it's a little cool camera, especially when I'm like doing my ride-alongs or, you know, POV when the car is done and stuff like that. So, just really enjoy it. Only thing I gotta really look into is why it gets so hot. I don't really think that's safe. It gets really hot. I think it's the battery, but I'll definitely check that out sooner or later, eventually when I get back home. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know, hit the thumbs up and hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's get it. Road to 1K. Whoa! Slow down there, Tiger. Yeah.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing